In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive on Monday.com. Archiving is a great way to keep your account clean and organized without permanently deleting important boards. Instead of cluttering your workspace with old or completed projects, you can safely store them away and bring them back whenever you need them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you 2 quick ways to archive a board and then how to unarchive it later. Let's start with how to archive a board from the Workspace panel. When you're on your main Monday.com view, look at the left side of the screen where all your workspaces and boards are listed. Find the board you want to archive and hover your mouse over its name. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear next to it. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Archive. Click Archive, and that board will be moved out of your active workspace and into the archive. This is the fastest way to clean up your sidebar when you no longer need constant access to a specific board. Now let's look at the second way to archive, from inside the board itself. First, click to open the board you want to archive. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen for another set of 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the board menu. From there, select Board Settings. In the Board Settings menu, you'll see an option called Archive Board. Click that, confirm if prompted, and the board will be archived. This method is especially useful if you're already working inside a board and decide it's ready to be stored away. Next, let's talk about how to unarchive a board. To start, go to your avatar or profile picture. Depending on your layout, this is usually in the top right or bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your avatar, and in the menu that appears, look for and select Archive. This will open the archive area where all your archived boards are stored. Once you're in the archive view, scroll or search to locate the board you want to bring back. When you find it, look for the same 3 dots icon next to the board's name. Click those 3 dots, and you'll see an option like Restore or Unarchive Board. Click that, and Monday.com will move the board back into your active workspace, just like it was before you archived it, with all its data intact. And that's it. You now know how to archive and unarchive boards on Monday.com, keeping your workspace organized while still preserving past work.